Imagine wiring a huge lump sum for rent, living comfortably for 2 years, and then waking up to find your landlord can't return your deposit. That's the Jeonse shock many foreigners fear in Korea. The good news is simple: you can make that deposit recoverable with Jeonse Insurance. And you can start today. Here's the promise. In the next 3 minutes, you'll learn how to qualify a property fast, find the right coverage, and exit cleanly, so your key money comes back on time. No legalese, no heroics, just operator moves. First, Jeonse in 60 seconds. You pay a big deposit up front. You live with little or no monthly rent. At the end, you're supposed to get the deposit back. The risk is not villains. It's paperwork, timing, and debt stacked on the building. Jeonse Insurance steps in if the landlord fails to return your deposit, pays you according to the policy, then chases the landlord later. Your mindset: don't obsess over safety, obsess over recoverability. The smartest tenants I've helped treat housing like a business contract. They verify, they document, and they make the claim process a formality. Here's your day 1 playbook. Step 1. Eligibility. Ask your agent for the certified building registry today. You're checking for heavy mortgages, strange liens, or illegal extensions. If it looks like spaghetti, move on. Step 2. Quotes. Send the address, draft lease, and deposit to at least 2 guarantors or a bilingual broker. You want price, eligibility, and claim trigger language in writing. Step 3. Sequence. Lock your contract details, complete address registration right after move-in, and only then bind the policy so the paperwork mirrors reality. Step 4. Monitor. Set a D-90 timer before move out. Future you will be grateful. How to choose coverage without melting your brain. Good is broker-led with 1 mainstream guarantor. You get it done in a few days and move in. Better is dual quotes from 2 providers, so you compare price and claim triggers side by side. Best is the operator stack eligibility pre-check, dual quotes, the right riders for transfer or extension, and that D-90 exit plan. Cheapest is not best if the trigger language is fuzzy. Clear triggers get you paid. Let's talk claims, without the migraine. At D-90, send a polite deposit. Return notice to the landlord and copy your agent. At D-30, send a formal demand with your bank details. On move-out day, hand over keys, record proof, and if the deposit does not arrive, submit a complete claim package immediately. Claims are won by timestamps, not arguments. Avoid the 5 classic mistakes. Do not bind after transferring the deposit. Do not rely on verbal okays. Do not skip address registration. Do not ignore riders if your plans might change. Do not start the return process at the last minute. Each mistake costs days or weeks. For founders and busy teams, consider a corporate lease and a policy that allows occupant changes. A small premium today beats a frozen deposit that burns runway. Your 15-minute pilot starts now. Email your agent for today's registry. Request 2 quotes with identical data and sample policy. Wording with claim triggers highlighted. Create a Jeonse binder folder with your contract, ID, payment, proofs, and residency registration. That single hour you invest this week could save months of stress later. Education, not legal advice. But here's the truth I've seen again and again. When you verify eligibility early, find the right policy, and run the D-90 clock, Jeonse turns from scary to procedural. Your deposit should sleep as soundly as you do.